Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter critical process died, blue screen of death error, then watch this video for the solution. So the first thing we need to do when we encounter this error is to force shut down the computer and restart the computer again. To force shut down, just press on the power key till the system shuts down, and that will be for a 10-20 seconds window. Once it shuts down, restart it. When you restart it, the first command you need to run is the hardware and devices diagnostic command. So for that, we'll click on the Windows and the R key together to bring up the run dialog box, and we will enter the line msdt.exe space -id space DEVICE device diagnostic and press enter. Then we'll click on next, and this will run the device and hardware troubleshooter. The next thing we need to do is run two scans, that is the DISM scan and the SFC scan. So go to command prompt, elevated command prompt. Sorry folks, you need to always run it in the elevated command prompt. So you need to click on run as administrator. Here you enter the command DISM space slash DISM space slash online space slash cleanup hyphen image space slash RESTOREHELALTH. So DISM online cleanup image restore health, and press enter. Now I won't press enter because this takes quite a long time to scan, so I'll keep the video short for your convenience. The next thing to do is run the SFC scan. After the DISM scan is done, run SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. Wait for the scan to run. The next thing we can do is run an antivirus scan and an anti-malware scan. So for that, we'll go to virus and threat protection settings. Now I run the default pre-installed Windows virus and threat protection, but if you have installed a third-party antivirus or anti-malware software like AVG, Kaspersky, Norton, etc., then you can go to the third party and scan, run a full scan using the software. Or if you are using the Windows one like me, then go to scan options, full scan, and then click on scan now. Now once this is done, we will also update the peripheral devices drivers. Now by peripheral devices, I mean all those devices that are connected to your system through the USB ports. So that could be the camera. Just right click on it and click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. That could be any other thing like your keyboards, your mouse, say your printer, your scanner. So update driver, search automatically for drivers. Then it could be your mouse, and so forth and so on, so many other things folks. So once that is done, we will also search for updates so that we can uninstall any conflicting update. We'll go to Windows Update and we will go to update history, and then we will click on uninstall updates. Now for example, if I have installed this update on the 3rd of September. Now if after I install this update on the 3rd of September, I am getting this blue screen of death error, critical process died, it probably means that this update is corrupted. Therefore I need to uninstall it and see if this error pops up again or not, or if it goes for good. So I'll click on uninstall and click on uninstall again, and then I will clean boot the system. I will restart the system in the clean boot configuration. By clean boot, I mean I will not run any unwanted or unnecessary services other than the basic Windows services. So we'll go to system configuration, click on services, and most important of all, we will have to check this box, hide all Microsoft services. I say this because if you disable any Microsoft service, then your computer will not reboot again because it doesn't have access to those Microsoft service as you have disabled it. So click on the third party services like Wiseboot, TeamWaver, your browser, your antivirus services, LibreOffice, Google Updater, and once you are done checking all the third party services, you can disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and then click on restart. And you should not face this error again. But if your computer faces this critical process died blue screen of death error again, the only option you have is now to reset the computer. So for that, we will right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, click on recovery, and then we will click on reset this PC, and we will click on remove everything. But before you do this, I suggest you back up your files or your personal data, and then click on cloud download, click on next, and it should, the next screen should pop up. And folks, this will give you a fresh or clean Windows installation. It will without any driver issues or without any of the glitches which cause this error to occur. So just click on reset, and you should no longer face this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.